friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing about the stocks having good potential for next trading session, and we'll be looking at the analysis of Nifty. So this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty futures. As I have already told yesterday that we are expecting this kind of flow in the coming days, and today itself we found that. So it's not like something I said something like this moment, but it was the analysis which I was thinking, and I have already explained all the logic behind that. As you can see, the momentum which we were expecting to the downside was not having too much of power. As you can see, while we were dragging down, the momentum was, you know, broken into multiple swings. So the latest swing, as I told, was this one to the downside from here to here. Now we were expecting an up move, obviously, but we opened, heavily to the upside around more than 1.5%, and from there on, the Nifty was not able to sustain, and we started going downwards. But still, we managed to close somewhere around more than 1%. So, what should we expect going forward? As I have already told, once enough move has been made and we get some break of a structure like this, you see, we get some break of a structure like this emphasizes that the swing, that particular swing either on the up or downside has been completed. So what we should see that this is our complete swing. Once a swing has been completed, we expect next round of correction. So this is the correction which is going on. If it is not the, we cannot foresee if it is part of this major, swing, and it is going to go down, mercilessly down. It cannot be foreseen, but still, whatever the price action we have in the hand, we can analyze on the basis of that. So when we see, we will be just plotting the retracement tool here, and we'll be marking our regions around 61.8. So ideally, it's not a mandate that every swing should be getting paused or getting some attraction over 61.8 retracement, but it is something which has been going on since long. Whenever you analyze, there will be some region around this particular area, 170, roughly 17100 on, this is future chart. So this region should support some price action while going down, and price should show some signs of consolidation here. Then I think we are ripe for going a up move, or providing a up move to the, maybe breaking this high and this high. After that, once we break or once we move closer to this high, there might be chances that we may start, going down again in the name of, newer swing to the downside. But this is what we can analyze as of now. For today's, trading part, there was no trade, as I was not sure. I was thinking just, if we are getting a good pullback, and if we are getting an opportunity to, enter to the long side, maybe I was expecting something like this, that if some consolidation happens and we get some breakup structure to the upside, then I'll be initiating some long position. But it did not materialize, and instead it kept on dragging downside. So I did not play this smaller swing game. So that's what I was just on the sidelines. Sometimes no trade is a good trade. So that was the case today as well. So this is the analysis. We should be looking around 17100 on the futures chart for next attempt going forward. So you'll be looking at the stocks. So first one, as we have already seen, that Federal Bank has been heading continuously upward. So still we were not able to get a fill. I was expecting that we should get somewhat retracement to the downside, but it was slightly missed by a couple of points, if I'm not wrong. So this is the main swing which we have got today. So if we get the area around 128, somewhere around here, we should be looking for a long position and keeping the SL around 125.2 and a target of 134, more than 134. So we should be looking on the 3-minute chart or 5-minute chart again to see what the price is doing in this region. Thereafter, opening the subsequent long position. Next is Spy Industries. Again, we have got a new structure high here. pressing the retracement tool for this particular new swing. If we are getting around 3003, we can open a long position with the SL of 2982 and a target of 3060. Next in this list is RVL Bank. Banks and NBFC sector were, on a positive side, more positive side in comparison to other sectors. So in this counter, buy can be opened around 123.5 or 6. This area, we am expecting a retest to the downside here, and keeping the SL around 125.5 and a target of 127.55. Another one is Asian Paints. After that crude oil fiasco between OPEC and other, you know, included countries, there has been some downside in Asian Paints because the main input for Asian Paints is crude and its derivatives. So we can see some selling pressure going forward, and sell position should be opened somewhere around 3209 with a stop loss just above this congestion zone of 3234 with a potential target around 3162, somewhere around here. So these are the stocks which should be kept on watch list on next trading session Monday, and see if they are providing good risk to reward ratio on a lower time frame. Maybe we can open a long or short position as explained. So this is it for the current video, guys. If you are having any query suggestions, please drop in the comment section, and like the video if the content is looking good. Please share with your friends, family, and acquaintances so that maximum people can get the benefit of the content which is shared. Please hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever some new content or video is posted. So there are lots of video and which is lined up, and I'll be posting it for you guys. So till then, thank you very much.